like to ask. But quite often, one of the challenges is the conversation around information, misinformation, disinformation becomes inherently political because it's to somebody's political advantage to simply accuse their opponents of lying. And something that I hear a lot about, being a rural member of parliament, is the firearms debate. And so I'm not asking you to take a position on that, but that's certainly something that I've heard a ton of misinformation, including from political parties in this place. So not that issue, but how do we make sure that we provide media literacy, that we can combat misinformation, disinformation in a way that acknowledges that there is also a valid policy and political debate that can be had in the midst of some of those what can be tough conversations.
One of the fundamental aspects of digital media literacy is understanding the difference between fact and opinion. It's one of the things we teach starting in elementary school because it's fundamental to having any kind of reasoned debate, as you say. Beyond dividing those two, beyond dividing whether we're discussing an opinion and discussing facts, media literacy helps us to identify which sources of information are reliable. And so it is only when we can divide opinion and fact, and when we, on all sides of an issue, are drawing from reliable, verifiable sources of information that we can have that debate.
And if I could, because I'm pretty sure I'm close to being out of time, but would it be helpful if, for example, the next recommendations, if there was something on these sites, something that simply said, look, here is the algorithm, some algorithmic transparency that would be beneficial, that at least that information is then put forward, and maybe just a yes or no answer from both our witnesses. Is that something that might be helpful?
The short answer is it's complicated, but yes, there are ways of doing it.
Okay.
And it would be valuable, yes.
Yes, and transparency and total transparency is the key to fight opacity.